What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about mindfulness and mindful eating. What is mindful eating exactly, and how can it help you to get in great shape? Can you learn mindfulness? How do you learn mindfulness? Is it something useful that you can incorporate in your daily life or not? Let's find out what you can do with mindfulness. So, mindful eating is a very important part of a healthy lifestyle. It is apparented to yoga, meditation, breathing techniques. You see, yoga is not just a physical exercise. It also teaches you self-awareness and mindfulness together. So how can this be useful if you want to get fit, have plenty of energy, get the body of your dream, lose weight, or get back in great shape? When mindfulness is a set of techniques that raises your self-awareness, consciousness. It makes you tune in with your body, your thoughts and your emotions. It helps you get rid of stress, anxiety, and it can treat depression also very effectively. You see, mindfulness is very difficult to acquire. It's not something that you can get overnight, but if you practice regularly on a consistent basis, if you practice every day, you don't have to practice for long. But if you stay committed with time and patience, you will see many positive changes in yourself, and it will make you a happier and healthier person. I highly recommend that you try out mindfulness. It's something that is very good for your health and your well-being. I highly recommend everybody to learn mindfulness. It begins with meditation. It's very, very easy to increase mindfulness if you practice meditation daily. Meditation is part of yoga. Yoga is a set of physical postures, but also breathing techniques, pranayama, and meditation. You don't have to practice for long in the beginning. If you are completely new to meditation, you can look up meditation for mindfulness or mindfulness meditation or mindful meditation, and you can start right away with some guided meditation or some teaching that you can find online. You can also head to our website panapriyam.com, where you can find plenty of advice on how to start meditation, what is the best mindfulness meditation for you, and you will get plenty of advice if you join us. And together with experienced yogi, we can provide you any help and support that you may need to learn about mindfulness meditation. So check it out, guys. The link will be in the description box below. So how does mindfulness help you exactly? When mindful eating is a science that makes you self-aware of your body, your thoughts and your emotion. It makes you focus on what you are doing in the present moment. It helps you clear your mind, get rid of stress and anxiety, but also find inner peace, harmony and balance. So mindful eating is paying attention to what you are eating. It means focusing on your plate when you are eating in silence, etc. There are plenty of powerful techniques that you can practice on a daily basis each time you eat to learn more about mindful eating and mindfulness. If you practice mindfulness meditation, it will allow you to do mindful eating more easily. It's something that you can practice every day. It doesn't require a lot of skills, it only takes time and practice to perfect. It might be very difficult at first if you're new to the concept, but with time and a lot of practice, you can see positive changes in your lifestyle, in your eating habits, and in yourself. It will make you enjoy your body and your life a lot more. Myself, I've been struggling with excess body weight, excess fat, and eating disorders for a long time until I found yoga. And yoga and mindfulness with meditation have helped me achieve a fit body, get back in great shape, feel great about myself, find inner peace, self-confidence, acceptance and compassion. So yoga can do many wonderful things for you. It offers plenty of amazing benefits if you stay committed to it and practice regularly. So I highly recommend yoga for everybody, together with breathing techniques, physical postures, and mindfulness meditation. It can make you enjoy your life, your body even more. So mindfulness is about finding this higher state of consciousness. By tuning in with your thoughts, your emotions, and how you feel, you listen to your body closely and find why you feel how you do, what is the root cause of your different emotions and feelings and thoughts, and what can you do about them. So by listening to your body closely, you can pay attention to what exactly your cravings are, where your hunger is coming from. Are you really hungry? Is your hunger physical, or do you have cravings because you are feeling very strong emotions like stress, anxiety, and different worries? Is it emotional eating or stress eating that you are experiencing? So why do you seek comfort food, and what can you do about it? You see, if you find the root cause of any eating disorder that you may have or unhealthy habits, if you find yourself cravings for junk foods that you know that is unhealthy for you, with mindfulness, self-awareness, mindful meditation and mindful eating, you can target the root causes of your different behaviors and find a solution for yourself that works for you. It's a very powerful tool and a very powerful set of techniques that you can learn and practice on a regular basis that will help you feel great about yourself, about your own body. You see, yoga and mindfulness teaches self-acceptance and compassion for yourself and others. So by tuning in with how you feel and how you eat, by realizing your eating habits, eating patterns, and what destructive behavior you may be going to, then you can find the right solution for you and feel great in your own skin. So I highly recommend that you try it out, guys. It's very helpful technique that has helped me get rid of my unhealthy eating habits and get back in great shape, boosting my confidence. It makes me a healthier and happier person every day. I try to practice yoga and meditation on a daily basis as often as I can, and I highly recommend that everyone do as I do. So thank you so much for watching today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you want to learn more about this topic, you can check out the link in the description box below. It adds to our website and an article about meditation, mindfulness and yoga. There's also a new book that I'm releasing, which is called Yoga for a Faster Metabolism. You can find the link under the video below. It is available for free right now, so you can click on the link and download it directly, where you will learn a set of techniques and my best tip that I use when I wish I knew when I was new to yoga. And by following these tips, you can learn yoga a lot faster, avoid plenty of mistakes that I made. It will answer any question that you may have about how to practice yoga, how to start out, and how to boost your metabolism to tighten up, build muscles, and get back in great shape. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope this was helpful to you. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you tomorrow.